All right, today we're gonna be throwing a gauge pod in the Dodge. This is my daily driver, 2010 Ram. I got this gauge pod right here on Etsy. It's a place called Cars Deluxe. It's like 50 bucks, which the one that goes right here from I think Autometer is 50 bucks. I had terrible reviews. So like, well, I'll go ahead and support this guy. This is a better, I think I'm better looking anyway, probably. So I got that right there ordered. I'm putting the AEM wideband in it, which I've had this wideband in the truck for a little over 6 months now, I guess, from after I put the cam in it and started tuning it. But yeah, that's gonna go in there. And he has another piece that goes right here, pretty nice. So the way this got these thumb screws on the back of it for mounting it. These thumb screws, you just slide it through there and that thumb screw on the back of it, it'll just kind of snap in place, it'll hold it. So that's pretty nice also. So I got all my wires pulled to where kind of halfway where they need to be. I'm gonna pull this cover right here off first, the grab handle. I'm hoping I pull these 2 bolts out. It should just pull out. We're gonna find out though. Those 2 out, so well, there's more than that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. All right, so there's that piece off there. So I'm gonna attempt to run my wires through here. It's gonna be a booger, but run the wires up through there, and I should be able to drill a hole somewhere in here. Run these wires for the wideband out of it. So I got my antenna. It's off my 84 F-150. I don't listen to the radio, and I shaved my antenna off, so I don't need this anymore. But it is good for sliding spots to run wires. You go get a zip tie. Got it down in there. We'll zip tie both these wires to it. Try to pull them both at the same time. All right, I'm zip tie. I'm gonna try to ease it up through here. You don't want to just jerk it. There's a lot of small wires, but if it starts grabbing, don't just jerk it. But oh yeah, nothing to it right there. Those wires right there. Oh yeah, it reached just fine. Okay. See, all this is gonna do is it's gonna sit in there and it's gonna go. You got a bolt, a longer Allen head. It's gonna replace that 10 mil I just pulled out. And it just goes into there. That's it like that right there. Boom, like that. Pretty simple. And it's got a hole right here to run your wires in behind there. Only thing I need to do is figure out where I need to drill a hole in the old grab bar. This. So I might could drill a hole. Well, this hole is right here. That hole right there, through there. I think that runs into the back of the gauge pod. I'm thinking, gotta figure out exactly where I'm gonna have this gauge. It'd be, let's see, something like that probably. So, let's drill a hole on the inside of this. Just right through there somewhere. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Right there. So I'm gonna go drill that hole real quick. I'm gonna get my drill up here and drill that hole. Then should just pop in place. We will see. Alright, got my drill. So look at this one more time and kind of make sure where I want the hole for the wires to come through. That's probably facing something. I want it facing towards where it's easy to see. Obviously. Probably something like that, maybe. Got holes on this side. Do the best I can to drill a hole close to this side. That's where that's gonna go. Might ought to do a pilot hole first. I'm gonna get the old Hobo Freight Christmas tree bit in there, step bit. Get it in there, kind of hog out that side maybe. We shall see. So this thing, it's pretty smooth for 3D printing, but it's 3D printed, so it's got a little bit of a texture to it. This is my daily driver, and a show truck by any means, so that'll work fine for what I have. And most of this stuff up here is kind of rough stuff hidden anyway. So pretty good finish for 3D print though, from stuff I've messed with in 3D printing. Pull that wire as far as I can so it's easier to mess with. Attempt to shave down the inside of this a little bit. You hog it up, as long as you keep it inside of this right here, it shouldn't be that noticeable, I don't think. High hopes, low expectations, what I got right now. Let's see. I think it may work. I think it should work. So this is that new one that it came with. Got the holes already drilled in there, so I can just go like that right there. Well, it matters which way it goes or not. I think it goes this way though. Looks like it's tapered. Looks like it's tapered back. Alright, so got that installed on there. Plug the wires in. There's that. Turn my key on and make sure everything still works for I halfway button it up. Oh, yeah. That's still good. Plugged in. So now I can slide this piece into here. Pretty sure it just presses in there. Yeah. And that piece just snaps and holds tension on it, so put that right there. Yep. So I gotta find an Allen wrench to put that bolt in. Should be good. Wrench right here. So you gotta spin it whatever you want. I think that should be. That's a pretty good view. How I usually drive. Let me make sure that's the door too, though. Oh no, that's pretty good. I don't mind the black. Yeah, half my interior is black. Most of my interior is black, really, I guess. So look, doesn't bother me. Doesn't look too out of place to me. Eventually, if it does bother me, I guess I could always sand it down, pull it out, sand it down, and paint it same color as the interior. Wouldn't be that hard to do. There we go. Pop that back in place. Good. So there we go. Installed. There we go. Fully installed. That looks pretty good. That little silver part's that little sticker on that wire, I could have pulled off, but it ain't gonna bother me. Pretty good. There we go, got it all done. I'll try to find a link to a link or a picture or something to whatever this guy's website is. Like I say, I bought it on Etsy, but he's got his own website also, and he does a lot of other car stuff. So I'm gonna check him out. Pretty reasonably priced. I mean, like I said, that other piece for the steering wheel was like 50 bucks, and they said it looked like garbage. This right here fits good. I mean, I like the way it looks. So, thank y'all for watching. Y'all check him out, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all.